Hi, Jeff.
Hi, Kelly.
How are you?
I'm fantastic. How are you?
I'm great. I brought you here today because I want to put something out there. And imagine, and this is going to be hard for you because you've been in the real estate business for quite some time, just a little bit of time. But I want you to imagine, okay, that you have no real estate experience. Okay. You don't know anything about a home and you're a first-time home buyer going into an open house, looking at a home. What do you look for?
Wow, I remember that day. My first home. I'm looking to see, is there a pool? How big is the yard? How many bedrooms are there? Where's the garage located? You know, all the important stuff, right?
Well, have you ever thought about looking underneath the sink?
No. What would I do that for?
Black discoloration, a leak, right? You could open up that sink and see a bunch of unhappy little critters under there, right? So you could see some black discoloration. You could see, well, critters, right? You could also see moisture, right? So you could also see an active leak. Have you ever thought about flushing the toilets?
No, I actually can say I never had thought of that.
The water pressure, right? So looking at the pressure, turning on a faucet, little things like that. Something I do with my buyers is always make sure that they're checking these out during their home tours. And so what I thought of the other day, I'm like, why have I never created a checklist? And so I did. I created a checklist and I'm so excited. I wanted to show you this. And it's going to go through everything from bedrooms, bathrooms, living spaces, the backyard, exterior, right? Looking at the cracks in the stucco, see if there are any visible cracks, interior condition. Do you love it, right? The feel, the neighborhood, right?
That's important.
I mean, how many buyers do you see, even like being in real estate when we have our open houses, how many buyers actually walk around the neighborhood?
I haven't seen many.
Right. They usually just hop in their car and go. So it's really like, this is just in its little checkbox. It's just so handy that I just wanted to bring this to you because I wanted to show you what I've been doing with my buyers. And I thought it'd be so helpful to share with you and then also everyone else watching.
Yeah, that's great. So I can have one, right?
Oh, well, actually, you can only have one if you can have this one. But if anyone listening or watching, if you comment tour on the link below, I will send this to you free, no charge. And this is so handy. Put this on your clipboard, put it per property and check it off, right? Make your notes. It's super handy, super helpful. And here's your copy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Awesome.
Yeah, super helpful.
Awesome. Yeah. This is some stuff I would never have thought of.
Yeah.
Turn stuff on. Yeah. Kick the tires. Thank you.
Not literally.
I know.
All right. Well, that's it for now. If you like this content, subscribe. We're always here to help you. Little tips and tricks. And don't forget to comment tour below and we'll send you that free copy.
Bye for now.
Bye.